Settings. All settings. General settings. System. Safety. In safety settings, you can put a lock on TV broadcasts or apps. Set it to on to apply the lock. TV rating locks restrict access to programs based on content rating. Program locks blocks the programs that contain inappropriate contents for children. Application locks, you can lock or unlock the application. Click on the apps which you wish to lock. Now, let's see how it works. As you can see, locked icon appearing on top of the locked app styles. To open the locked apps, click on the app, then enter password to unlock it. Input locks, you can lock or unlock the inputs. Select the inputs you wish to lock. Now, let's check how it works. As you can see, we are selecting and opening the input which we locked. To unlock, enter the password. Reset password, set or change the password for the TV. To reset, enter current password. Set new password. Confirm password.